Hi children, I hope you're doing well. Since I had told you that I was going to bring some more problems based on the fifth identity, so this is also one of its kind. So let us understand by means of an example. As you know, fifth identity is a plus b plus c equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. We do not open up this because we sometimes have to deal with them as together. You'll better understand by means of this problem. So example 3. Find a square plus b square plus c square if a plus b plus c is equal to 10 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 18. So to solve, we have to copy usually the entire identity. So we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca, right? Now we have to find out this, but we have the value of a plus b plus c, which is over here. So let us write into the bracket and then square it up. We also have the value of this, which is equal to 18. So since we are supposed to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square, so we drop this down as usual and we try and write the value of a, b, b, c and ca, right? So which is equal to 18. So we have 100 here on multiplying 10 with 10 itself, and a square plus b square plus c square, and here we have 36. 18 2s are 13. So a square plus b square plus c square, you bring them down, but plus 36 will go to the other side as minus, and therefore we get 64 here. A square plus b square plus c square. Hence the value of a square plus b square plus c square happens to be 64. Alright, so I hope you have understood. Now it's time to go to the sixth identity, as this is the fifth one. I hope you have understood. In case you have any queries, please do write in the comment section. Alright, thank you so much children. Have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.